welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, you will learn how to create this foxy eye look. I'm actually going to be recording today a lot because there is just so much to show you guys. Besides this tutorial, I have a huge makeup haul that needs to be done. I'm constantly buying new makeup, so if I don't do it, I'm gonna forget about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the makeup haul. I also have a clothing haul from Shein. Let me know if you guys want to see the Shein haul first or the makeup haul. The makeup haul is from Ulta, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and put the bell notifications on so you guys get notified every time I upload, especially if you guys like hauls. Those will be coming up shortly, but do let me know which one you guys want to see first. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. Priming the eyes with my P. Louise base and doing the tape hack. Taking that soft white shade and applying this all over my lid to set the base. I'm blowing this shade all over my crease. I mixed warm sand and tan here. With an angled brush, I'm taking neutral brown and applying this where I would a winged liner. Next, I'm buffing that out with warm sand, really making sure to taper this out to get that foxy eye look. To deepen up things more, I'm using that deep cool brown color and applying this where I did with that neutral brown shade. Highlighting under my brow bone with that soft white we used from earlier. Now with whatever's left over on that brush that we used from previously, I'm going to go ahead and blend these two shades together. With the lightest hand, I'm brightening up the inner eye hair. Doing one last blend to make sure everything is seamless. Curling my lashes here and then going in with the L'Oreal Telescopic in Carbon Black. I totally forgot about the inner corner liner. I probably should have done mascara after I did that, but I forgot about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. We'll come back and do the inner corner eyeliner together and also finish off the bottom lash line like usual. Okay, so the face is done. Now let's go back and do the bottom lash line. I'm so sorry about the inconsistent lighting changes. I wasn't aware that the settings were off, but I'm lighting my bottom lash line with that cool deep brown shade and bringing this all the way to my inner corner and buffing that out. To get really precise and in there, you want to tug on the side of your nose to help you find the natural shape. Use the shape of your eyes as a guideline for where you want to place the liner. Use any wispy and dramatic lashes that you have. Before I forget, I'm just applying mascara to my bottom lashes. Okay, so that's the finished look. I never ever wear like inner corner eyeliner like this, so it feels really different to see it on. I actually felt like for the longest time ever, I just couldn't get it right for some reason, but I'm really glad I tried this eye look because I definitely have been wanting to create a foxy one. So hopefully you guys learned some tips and tricks from this video. Don't forget to like if you found it helpful and subscribe as well because I have a huge giveaway coming up when I reach 500 subscribers. I'm already gathering the things that I want to do as a giveaway. Some items that I'm gonna give away, I don't even own it myself. So that's very exciting because I would love to own them myself too, but instead I'm giving it away to you guys instead. So don't forget to subscribe. Please share my channel with your friends and family if you enjoy my videos. But I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next haul. Don't forget to comment down below which one you want to see, okay?